You know what? I want to make you smile every day. But of course, I'll wait. I know with the situation at home.
Yeah.
How is she doing?
She's stable. We're just praying for her recovery.
Do you have any lead on the suspect? And has the police found any lead?
No, nothing yet.
What did you find on the phone?
You know, I think that Amelia and Herbert are trying to get rid of my sister.
For what would be the motive?
For their son to take over.
Hannah, you know, when I found out about all this, I had to tell her right away.
You know, Komakech, people do things, you know? You'll be surprised. Like, for example, you have been trying to convince me that you like me. And yet you have a wife at home. So people will do anything, will say all sorts of things for the right motive. I don't like that Amelia woman.
Me neither. I mean neither, yeah.
Good. Then you're going to help me take her down.
Oh, you know what? I had forgotten. I have a meeting coming up in the next 20 minutes, so I think we got to go. We need to be packing up and going, you know.
I wasn't.
Akachai kaja kukola. Nandi tu planning akusulawo.
Hano nebo nawe. Nemuvuga nemtindikana mube Kampala eyo. Paka wano mnamnya chai yeka. Ikafuna chemba iza yonze.
Mama?
Nebo tula.
Taina bera wana akende.
Tula. Tagenda kugenda taina jagenda. Onogola nze yamuyita. Era wana mazawo kebbanga eriwera. Nebo.
Please. Remember we said we listen, we don't judge, okay?